Man. I can't believe that Wonder Red washes Mr. Steven's mouth out with soap and then throw up. Well, I wish I can make him feel better by giving him cough drops and water. Wait. Giving him some cough drops and water? That gives me a great idea. I'm going to give Mr. Steven some cough drops and water to make him feel better.
Man. I can't believe that Wonder Red wash my mouth out with soap. I wish that I don't want to get my mouth to be washed with soap again. Purple Star. What are you doing here?
Mr. Steven, I'm sorry that Wonder Red washes your mouth out with soap yesterday. But I got you some cough drops and some water to make you feel better.
Yay. I feel so much better now. Thank you so much, Purple Star. I will be calling your parents about this. You can go home now.
Purple Star. Words cannot describe how proud I am. Thank you for giving him some cough drops and some water. Because I heard that Wonder Red washes your mouth out with soap yesterday. You are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Dad. You are the best.